If you love something which will help you to prolong during bedtime, which will give you energy during bedtime, which will help you to make your cucumber strong, active, and you go for hours without finishing, my dear, you need this simple recipe, which I'm going to tell you right now, my dear. So you just need to keep watching the entire video from the beginning up the end. This recipe, you just take it 30 minutes before competition. Trust me, if you have been yearning for increasing strength to make it stiff and strong during bedtime, it will help you to make it. So you just need easy tips how you can make this remedy. This is the way you are going to make this recipe. I want you to get for me uncooked egg. Get its egg yolk, okay? Only egg yolk. Don't get cooked egg, but I want you to get for me uncooked egg. Get its egg yolk, okay? Only egg yolk, and then add for me 1 spoon of coffee powder. Coffee powder, you can use Nescafe, you can use any type of coffee powder, so long as it's coffee powder, guys. And then, guys, add for me Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola without sugar, okay? Mix your remedy very well, guys. Just relax, mix your remedy very well, guys. From that, my dear, guess what? You just need to take that drink 30 minutes before the competition. My dear, if you've been yearning for increasing the performance, waking up, going up, waking up, going up, my dear, this is the perfect recipe for you guys. So just try this home recipe, guys, and you will thank me later, by the way. So subscribe right now. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section to invite your friends to this YouTube channel.